Did you guys know that these cheesy box store vent covers aren't the only thing to put on your air registers, air returns, exhaust fan covers? We got a couple different options for you that'll help upgrade your house and take it from to super fresh. Watch this. So I know these are easy. You run to your local box store, you pick up a few of these register covers, and all you got to do is slap them on the opening that's been carved out of the drywall. The only problem is they look cheesy and they look outdated. And a lot of people think it's their only option. But if you want to upgrade your home, you have to be aware of other products that are out there. And the point of this video is for us to show you two of those companies that are doing amazing things that make your vents look a little bit better. And they're all flush mount with a couple different designs, all different sizes, from your exhaust fan covers to your air returns, your air registers. They've got something for everything. And we got those linked down below in the description. But I want to show you how these work. And I'm going to link back to a couple of the videos we've done in the past, just to show you that there's other options out there. So this is from a company called Envisivent. Envisivent, and I'm gone. They have removable grills, and they also have permanent models.
Today I'm here with Envisivent showing you how to install two types of flush mounted air returns. This one is removable, this one's permanent.
So this gypsum-based product is designed to look just like you've cut these grills into the drywall. And this model is great because it's actually removable too. And it's a super easy way to simply take the grill out and clean your register, clean your air return if you need to. But they do have a permanent model as well too. So again, just an upgrade over that classic register. Now there's another company out there called Ariavent, which is a Canadian company as well. Which you know is gonna fit perfectly because I did it. I wanna show you how easily I can retrofit this air return opening and put in the Ariavent Drywall Pro. Watch this. Oh man, it's tight fit. And they make sort of more modern, sleek looking air returns and air registers. And you've seen that on our page too. You've also probably seen their receptacle mounts for electrical boxes and stuff. They make a lot of really cool products, and one of which is all their registers and air returns. So this guy's pretty simple. They have different sizes. This would be one that would be used for either an exhaust fan cover or an air return. Some of their products are made out of metal. Some of them are plastic. A little bit different installation techniques, but we've shown you in the past, and I'll show you some more videos now. But these center inserts are just designed to slide in, slide out, to give you access to either control some dampers if they are, or just have access to clean your grills out, clean your ducts out. But once this is into the wall, once this is flush and one with the drywall, it's really an upgraded look over these store-bought cheap plastic metal covers that are always barely screwed into the drywall. They never fit quite right and really just look like they're slapped on to a nice renovation. So if you're going to be spending the money to renovate your house, it's worth spending the time to invest in some upgraded vent covers and learn a little bit more about what's out there. Head down to the description below, check the links out, let them know Refresh sent you, and maybe they'll give you a discount. Check back for more tips from the Refresh guys. I don't know where I'm going, but I don't know what to do with this stuff. See ya.